Alright, welcome back to Everyday Race. In a previous video I installed brand new top-notch struts on the front end of my Prius because earlier that day I've discovered a clunking noise coming out of the front driver's side area of my car, and I figured the struts were bad, so I installed the brand new ones. The old ones were shot. You can see that video in the upper right corner right there. And to my surprise, it did not fix the clanking noise. It's still clanking. So I got onto the car, quadruple checked everything, sway bar bushings, sway bar lengths, ball joint, everything. Everything was tight. So the last thing that was left to check was the brakes. And I've discovered that the brake pads on the driver's side were loose. So like any normal person, I went to my local salvage yard. Got an '08 Prius. Oh yeah. Get some used brake pads. Look at them. Good shape. Good to go. Hell yeah. Located the liberal section. And of course, they had 4 or 5 Priuses in there. That's why I grabbed OEM brake pads, OEM caliper bracket and driver's side, and some hardware, because I think it's going to be one of those things that's causing the problem. Now let me take it all apart and let's see what we can find. Let's get to work. Alright, so I got the wheel off, I got the caliper off, and let me show you what I found. The pads are loose and the bracket with the pads, with the Toyota pads I got at the yard. $4 brake pads and $2 caliper bracket. As you can see, it ain't moving nowhere. So we got a problem here. So each of the pads have been wore out on the end, so they've been grounded down. I don't see any problems or bracket is damaged or something. So first, let's put the pads that I got in. Let me take them from the bracket. Let's see if it's the pad. So as you can see, pretty tight in there. Now let's put it. Huh. This pad is loose too. That's strange. Let me remove the other pad. See, these pads look fairly new that came on the car. It's just one side is making noise, the other one isn't. Pretty strange. Alright, so let me remove the hardware. Let me remove the pad from this side, remove the hardware, and let's measure. Maybe the bracket is messed up here and here. So, alright, so let's measure the caliper bracket. Okay. So it's 117.36. And let's see if we can measure the one bracket. And as you can see, the distance is pretty much the same. So it's not the pad. It's not the pad there. Seem to be exactly the same size. It's not the bracket. Seem to be in good working shape. So it's got to be maybe the hardware. Oh, look. The hardware is different. So I don't know if you can see. This one's got a tab on the bottom and this one's missing it. Let me go ahead and install the hardware I got at the salvage yard onto this side, and the pads that I got from the junkyard on this side, and let's see what it looks like. Alright, as you can see, everything nice and tight. So I'm going to put it all back together, and then I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing, and then we're going to go for a drive and see what happens. Alright, so this is a closer view. This is a bracket that was on the Prius that was making the noise, and this is the bracket from the junkyard. It's still got some dirt in it over there. It's authentic dirt from the junkyard. So this is a better view. So let me show you. If we put the pad right in there, this holds the pad in the bracket. Now if we take this bracket, there's nothing holding it. So I'm not sure who or what, if they got this bracket hardware kit from Timo or something, or what, or from a different car, someone made a mistake, or if it's just a different design, but that was causing the clunking. So that was a easy fix. And while I was under the car, I noticed something else. The control arm bushings are kind of and I'm fixing to fix it. So I'm about to order some new control arms with brand new bushings, and there's going to be another video where I'm going to be installing them. So come back and check it out. And this is going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.